Yeah, come hang out with Mama and Stella. You want to come hang out with Mama and Stella? Well, come here. Come on. Hi, Stella. Yeah? You're going to come here and then we'll go put your pajamas on. 6 months old cruising around in your walker. Come on. Oh, look at you go. Good job. Oh my goodness, you totally figured it out. Good job. Oh, good job. Where are you going? You're going in reverse?